Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can rebirth your Grow a Garden account and basically start from 0 shekels if you're insane and you would like to grind. I don't want to do that though. Here you can select the I want to ascend, and basically you'll need, what's this, like is this billion? I actually don't know. You will get 10 garden coins, but you will lose all of your shekels. You're just going to confirm. You also need this kind of fruit and mutation, I guess. And what you can do with the coins is you can see like what are you selling. You can get a save slot upgrade, a capacity, pet inventory upgrade, cosmetic inventory, plant inventory capacity upgrade, and you can also buy the like seeds that are locked here from Sam, the broccoli seed, potato seed, Brussels sprout seed, and the cocoa mango seed, and you'll open up the tier once you level up with Sam. But yeah, that is it. If you want to rebirth, it's up to you guys. I don't really want to. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.